Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best 360 cameras in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. GoPro Max Waterproof 360 Plus Traditional Camera with touch screen spherical 5.6K 30 HD video, 16.6 MP, 360 photos, 1080p live streaming stabilization. 3 cameras in 1. Maximize your creative freedom. With MedX, you can shoot traditional hero-style video and photos or capture immersive 360 footage. Vlog to the max with shock and mic performance in a front-facing screen. Max Hypersmooth. Max gives you unbreakable stabilization by using 180-degree capture as the ultimate buffer. Live streaming in 1080p. Shoot in hero mode and share while you're there. Live stream in 1080p on social. Get Max Hypersmooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app and save footage to your SD card to check out later. Horizon leveling. In hero mode, game-changing horizon leveling gives you that silky smooth cinematic look whether you're getting sideways, flipping through the air, or chasing your kids. Number 2. Insta361 RS 1-inch 360 edition. 6K 360 camera with dual 1-inch sensors, co-engineered with Leica, 21MP photo, flow state stabilization, superb low light, water resistant. Dual 1-inch sensors and superb low light. Dual 1-inch CMOS sensors deliver unparalleled image quality with outstanding dynamic range and superb low light performance. Stunning 6K 360 video. The ultimate creative tool. Easily capture impossible shots with 6K 360-degree capture, the invisible selfie stick, and 360 reframing. 21MP 360 photos. Capture the world around you in sharp definition with seamlessly stitched 21MP 360 stills. New PureShot HER mode for a higher dynamic range powered by AI. Flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock. 6-axis stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos. Number 1. Insta361 RS Twin Edition. Waterproof 4K 60fps action camera and 5.7K 360 camera with interchangeable lenses, stabilization 48MP photo, active ATR, AI editing. 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens. Get 2 cameras in one with Insta361 RS. Swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for endless creative possibilities. Flow state stabilization. Buttery smooth image stabilization no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses. No editing needed. 48MP photos, 6K widescreen video, and active ATR video. Thanks to a new sensor, capture crisp 48MP photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos, and vibrant HER action videos. Invisible selfie stick. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives.